how to get HBO Max on your Samsung TV. So I'll show you how to download and install HBO Max. Now, first thing you need to do is head over to your Samsung home screen. So you can do this just by pressing the home button on your TV remote. From the home screen, you can scroll over to apps. And then if you scroll down, you should be able to locate HBO Max. Now you may need to filter this by category by coming all the way down to the bottom. And then you can go and select a genre such as video. And you should be able to find HBO from these list of options. Now, if you can't find it, you can always use the search box over in the left-hand navigation. You could then just search for HBO Max instead, and you can go and select the application from here. Now, once you have the app selected, you'll see an install button, and you'll just need to click on this to install this onto your Samsung TV. Once it's finished installing, head back over to your home screen. You'll now be able to see HBO Max from your list of applications.